Welcome to Golden Apparels, our premier textile sourcing partner in Dhaka, Bangladesh. With over 15 years of industry expertise, we specialized in sourcing, manufacturing, excellence product, and shipment of a wide variety of textile products. From trendy t-shirt to classic polo shirt, from cozy sweaters to essential shocks, we have got you covered. Need small quantity production or salesman samples? Our dedicated sample section can produce 100 to 5,000 pieces efficiently. But wait, they are small. We also excel in sourcing hard goods like plastic, food container, beach toys, and water bottles. Attention European buyers and store owners. If you need a small quantity of production without the expenses of designers or merchandise teams, look no further. We specialized in supporting business like yours with our capacity and expertise. Partner with Golden Apparels for top-notch quality, reliability, and unbeatable service. Contact us today to elevate your textile sourcing experience.